My name is Mohammad Rakib Hasan. I would like to state AZ Association in a very clear and easier way, so that every student, along with their parents, can understand what the process are and how AZ assists a student in great way. Actually, I did not know. I belong to a typical middle class family, and I did not know about the education in abroad. I did not know what the costs are. I did not know anything serious to abroad education. But I came to know some advertisements. When I came to some advertisements online and offline also, and AZ, and then I went to the AZ office, and I came to know some great informations about AZ, and my counselor. I met with my counselor Mohammad Hasan for the very first time, and he guided me in every way. He assisted me with giving me some great informations, and also Anisul Islam Shammo bhai also motivated me all the time, and yes, I cannot forget Nujhat Abu, because he assisted me a lot with regard to CAS interview. So yes, I definitely say that AZ literally assisted me a lot, and that is why I am here now, and I got my UK student visa. Right now I am an undergraduate student in London South Bank University in Computer Science. Thank you very much.